Okay, this is Costa Verde. It's a hotel that features a bunch of old retired airplanes as rooms. I mean airplanes, I'm talking like Boeing 747s. And this guy's gonna give us a tour of the 8-person suite. Look at the view. Private beach, swimming pool, 3 restaurants, this huge deck, an entire fuselage of an airplane.
Come on in.
And this is the cabin. So right now we're in the airplane.
The kitchen.
It has a kitchen. Wow. It's 2 bedrooms.
So 2 beds in here.
Yep.
So basically Nikki and the kids.
Yeah, we're staying in this one.
Yeah, we're staying in here though. Here's,
Oh, wow.
Look at this shower.
This is beautiful.
Wait, do you want a shower here?
Wow, look at the view from the shower. It's so crazy that we're inside of an airplane. Look, it's got a deck with a bathtub. Oh yeah. Nikki and the kids and Anthony would love this.
They're gonna be like, bang.
No, they're not.
We get more kids here.
Jeez, look at these islands. That is beautiful. Little cool chairs to hang out on. Look at that.